Every time I'm with you, love was true.
65 Karawatha Drive is perched on the northern end of Lake Moana, here in beautiful Mountain Creek.
So we make this thing work. Love was true with you. Now you're leaving my heart out. Left me high and dry. Love was true. Love was true.
So this property has all the hard work done. You simply can move in, relax and enjoy this enviable location.
Love was true, love was true. Every time I'm with you, love was true. Everybody sees it too. Thought our love was true. Now you're leaving my heart out. Left me high and dry. Love was true. Thought we make this thing work. Love was true, love was true. With you.
And the best part about all this is your backyard. Reach out with any questions, let us know how we can help, and until next time, we'll see you soon.